What's the hardest part of the process?
Everybody's process is going to be different. What's hard to you may not be difficult for you. Your best bet is to figure out what it is that you want to do and just start. Just start. Right, everybody on social media, it's a tool, it's not a tool. How I went viral with some of the things that I do on a day-to-day basis is I use Twitter, I use Instagram as a tool, literally. How I got a chance to produce for Shock Lizzie, I was editing his manager every day. Like consistently, I'm like bugging the dude every single day. And once the opportunity came where Shock Lizzie was in the studio, he finally looked at my DM, he finally looked at my ad and was like, come down to the studio. Went to go produce for Shock Lizzie. He loved the song so much, but why did he love the song? Because I spent hours, I spent months and weeks on these instrumentals. So you gotta master your craft. And once you master your craft, you work on that thing, I'm telling you, the opportunity's gonna come knocking. And when that joint come knocking, bust through the door.